Hello everyone, here's your Eastern Idaho weather and planning briefing for July 24th. Heading into the last weekend of the month of July, we will see decreasing showers and thunderstorms throughout the entire weekend. By the time we get to Sunday, we may not see any thunderstorms at all, actually. Maybe a couple along the Wyoming border, but that's a pretty low chance at this point. For today, we still have enough moisture around for some locally heavy rainfall with some of these storms, small hail, and some gusting winds as well. We're not expecting any severe storms, it looks like, at this time. We have a break, and then after Monday, the monsoon returns and an increase in showers and thunderstorms. Satellite this morning shows the main push of moisture, at least from yesterday, is pushed off into Montana and Wyoming. We have a little bit of moisture coming in from the south and west. The overall flow pattern is changing. The slow up across Canada is going to turn that flow more from the west versus the south or southwest. And you notice there's not a lot of moisture on the satellite to the west. That drier air is the reason we're going to be losing quite a bit of that shower and thunderstorm potential over the next couple of days. For the weekend, still looks like the highlands will be the best bet for seeing some showers and thunderstorms, especially up along the Montana border up into Lemhi County. Not much of a risk, not much of a impact for thunderstorms any given day. We have some of these areas highlighted in yellow simply because there could be a little bit of rain, a little bit of hail. Also, we're getting thunderstorm coverage closer to scattered, which is red flag, but at this point, we're not there. So there could be at least some minimal impacts in those areas with those storms, especially today, tomorrow, and once again starting on Tuesday. How things are going to progress through the day, let's take a look at the forecast, and you'll notice starting at noon today, we do have some activity developing, and you notice it's mainly over the highlands, up around Challis, Mackay, up towards Oneida Pass into Lemhi County. That's where the best coverage will be. Can't rule out anything over the Snake Plain. We saw outflow boundaries and storms yesterday. It's that time of year, everyone. That certainly can happen. The models don't do really well on depicting some of that a lot of the time. And you can see some of these storms lingering at least through sunset, and then there they go. They're gone. Then we go through tonight, and guess what? Tomorrow afternoon, similar areas seeing showers and thunderstorms, but you notice there's not much in the way of activity for Saturday versus today in those areas. So, like I said, things decreasing a little bit. We might see a little bit of increase once storms get into the Island Park and the Centennials going into Saturday evening. But then again, we're dry. We talk about showers versus thunderstorms, and when it comes to this time of year, we worry about the lightning and where the thunderstorm threat is the greatest. You'll notice this afternoon, basically from around Mackay up through the Gilmore Summit area, back up along the Montana border, and especially once you get into southwest and south central Montana, a little bit of enhanced chance of thunderstorms down towards Jackpot, City of Rocks, over towards Juniper, that area as well, back over towards Owyhee as well. And then that decreases tonight, and then for tomorrow, similar areas once again, but you'll notice the chance overall is diminished, except up around, again, West Yellowstone, Island Park, Oneida Pass as well. And then going into Sunday, like we said, there's a very minimal chance of a storm along the Wyoming border. That's less than 10%. That really doesn't show up in the forecast, but it's one of those things you can't necessarily call it zero at this point either. So once again, we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms. Precip-wise, here's our rainfall forecast for today. Nothing heavy in terms of moisture falling, even if we get several storms falling over the same areas. That precipitation ends, and then tomorrow afternoon, just a few hundreds across the area. So not a lot of rainfall with these storms now that we've got the big push of monsoon moisture out of our hair, and that continues into Saturday evening. Once again, showers and thunderstorms around, but the coverage and intensity decreases quickly through the weekend. For today, still looking at some gusty winds, a little bit of small hail, and some localized heavy rainfall, and then a break until we get towards the middle part of next week. If you have any questions, give us a call. Otherwise, have a great day, have a great weekend, and stay safe out there, everyone.